Hey guys, and on the background I have Sydney.
Hi.
And today we're going to be unboxing something that will eventually go into his collection. So, let's do it. I'm making a video on this because he kind of wanted me to, and also given the fact that I have not made a video on one of these. And this is actually our initial first reaction to this, because this could be like a different version, maybe? So we'll find out. Alright.
There it is.
Alright. In the box too. Alright.
Is it still sealed?
It's not sealed. You just gotta cut this tape, which I don't wanna rip anything. So we gotta be careful. Alright, there it is inside. Alright, let's see if it's like anything different. Alright, here we go. So it does have all the original accessories. It has the screws.
Does that have a thick base or am I tripping? Oh, I'm tripping. Okay, my guess is down.
There's the manual. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Sydney, you're in for a surprise.
Oh, no. I mean, I should be excited, but... Wait, no! Is that... Oh my gosh, it's tan!
You know what else it has?
No, don't say red horn. Oh, no, okay, it doesn't, but wow, banana horn. Wow.
Sensor date.
That is from... Oh, it's kind of smeared.
Probably a 1. If anything. Let's say a 1, a 9, an 8, and a 2.
1981.
Wow, this thing's really cool. Okay, there's the back. 84-7 1666-00 Montgomery Ward. Now this one is completely different from the one I own. I'm gonna see if I can pull mine out real quick. It's not here, it's in the other. So it should be in here. So yeah, this is the one I own. This is the one with the domed button and the newer style circuitry. Oh my god, I forgot there's still tape on this one. It's even got the, I think it's got, no, it's slightly different circuit boards, but they're both still green. The date on this one is, or the code on this one is green, but it's still got the same sensor and everything. This one also, they both have red LEDs, so that's not different. Ooh, that's cool. This one has the BRK logo on the circuitry.
They all do, even later ones.
This one doesn't. At least I don't think.
Oh, it should be a... Wait, can I see?
No, this one's not. This one doesn't have the BRK label on the circuit board.
Oh.
This one does not.
Oh.
So...
That's strange.
I gotta be careful. I'm gonna mix up the colors.
I think the one that you just opened is a little bit more yellow.
Both the covers are the exact same thing. So, you really don't need to worry about it. But this one's cool. This one, This one's the older one, which is something I'm really looking for. At least in the BRK variant. But this is still cool to see, because this is like one of the rarer ones. This is really cool. So, we'll go ahead and test it real quick. I gotta get a battery.
Yeah, the really rare ones are the ones that have the rust colored horn, but those are
the red
really
ones.
early.
Yeah, we've hardly
70s.
seen those. Frank Wakeman has the BRK one with the red horn. He kind of surprised us with that like 2 years ago or something. Alright. Alright, get you out of the way. Alright, brief test. You will go off. Hold on. That's why I didn't put the battery in all the way. There we go. Okay, I got it. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it's pretty loud, so your typical 79R sound. Although this one seems more higher pitched than mine. I don't remember. I'll have to listen to this one again. My BRK one had its horn replaced, so I wouldn't say. But yeah, this one does seem a lot more higher pitched than usual. But yeah, this is still, regardless, this is still really cool to see. Because the TR-79Rs are always really neat in my opinion. So yeah. There's said box. And yeah. And that's really all I have to say for this video. This is a nice little unboxing video. And eventually you'll probably see this one in Sydney's collection pretty soon. So, yeah, there it is. And do you want to say bye?
Bye.
See you guys in the next one.